Are you contemplating the idea of generating real income online? It's a journey many embark upon with dreams of flexibility, prosperity, and personal satisfaction. However, before diving in, there are critical considerations to address. This video will provide essential insights into starting your online income journey, ensuring you're informed and prepared for success. First, let's establish what real online income means. Unlike full-time employment, online income often involves multiple streams of revenue. It's vital to understand that most people find success through diverse income sources, not a singular miracle opportunity. Whether it's freelancing, e-commerce, affiliate marketing, or content creation, the diversity can buffer against unforeseen changes in any one stream. The first step is to assess your skills and interests. Every online income path caters to different strengths. Are you a wordsmith? Consider freelance writing or starting a blog. Do you have a knack for teaching? Online courses and educational content might be your forte. Possess an entrepreneurial spirit? Dive into e-commerce or set up your digital store. Identifying what you're good at and what you enjoy can set a solid foundation for your journey. Next, understand the commitment involved. Contrary to popular belief, making money online is not a ticket to instant riches. It requires consistent effort, time, and, importantly, patience. It's easy to be swayed by stories of overnight success, but remember, behind every such story is often years of persistence and learning. Set realistic goals and timelines. This mitigates frustration and keeps your motivation strong when things seem slow. Moreover, equip yourself with the necessary knowledge and tools. The online world is ever evolving. Staying updated with trends, tools, and technologies is crucial. Invest time in learning. Platforms like Coursera or Khan Academy offer courses to boost your skills at little or no cost. Efficiency tools like content management systems, analytics tools, and digital marketing platforms can significantly enhance your productivity and reach. Let's touch on the power of building a personal brand. Your online presence should reflect who you are and what you offer. Whether it's your social media profiles, website, or YouTube channel, consistency is key. Craft content regularly, engage with your audience, and ensure your brand's message is clear and authentic. Networking, both online and offline, can amplify your opportunities. Engage with communities relevant to your niche. Forums, social media groups, and professional networks like LinkedIn can provide support, collaboration opportunities, and even direct job leads. Sharing knowledge and success with others often leads to reciprocal benefits. It's also vital to safeguard against scams. The online world, unfortunately, has its share of pitfalls. Be cautious of offers that promise guaranteed returns with little effort. Conduct diligent research before committing to any opportunity. Reviews and testimonials can often be a good indicator of legitimacy. Remember the adage, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Lastly, embrace resilience. Challenges and failures are inevitable components of any venture. The key is to learn and adapt. Each setback carries a lesson that brings you closer to your goals. Maintain a growth-oriented mindset and keep refining your strategies based on experience and feedback. In conclusion, the prospect of earning real income online is indeed promising. However, it demands careful planning, dedicated effort, and a willingness to adapt and learn continuously. By following these guidelines and approaching your venture with a balanced, informed perspective, you'll lay the foundation for a rewarding online income journey. So, if you're ready to embark on this exciting path, keep these insights in mind. The digital realm offers limitless possibilities, but only to those who approach it with preparation and perseverance. Thank you for watching, and best of luck on your journey to real online success. Want more proven side hustle ideas? Follow and subscribe now. If you're ready to start earning extra income immediately, go to www.kill9to5.com.